What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video is definitely going to be a lot different than the other ones, but as you can see by the title, quit my 9 to 5 so that I can do YouTube building cars. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, like I was saying, quit my 9 to 5 job, try to pursue YouTube. I did all this at like having maybe 2 subscribers. Not a good plan in my eyes, but sometimes you gotta go for it. Let's talk a little bit why I chose to even do this. But yeah, as far as job, what I did is pretty much everything under the sun. You name it. Remodel, worked on ATVs, worked on golf carts, building those. I've built cars for people. Pretty much everything that will make you $1, because today's prices are getting crazy. And I gotta have some money to be able to build my whips. Gotta have money for that. So over the years, just been building stuff for people, and finally it hit me one day. Why am I spending all this time building stuff for other people whenever I want to build my own stuff, but still want to help somebody, and I still got to make some money? So felt like this would be the perfect thing, so I could help people, teach people, make a little bit of money maybe on the side. Really don't care about that part right now. Mainly care about just having a channel where people can go to and learn little things that don't cost you a lot of money. You name it, I pretty much would do it any way I could make money, because I don't really have a lot. And then something else that later on came in my life that I loved doing is editing. I always loved making videos of just stupid things me and my friends did, anything like that. But that kind of turned into something to where I've had so many vehicles in my life. Really feel like someone could be getting some knowledge from all this instead of just me learning and figuring it out. But as far as what is in store for the channel, a lot of good things coming. I really want to get started on some of the other builds. If y'all have watched the channel, y'all have seen the EXO build. That thing has been some work, I can tell you that. Then we got the Snowflake over here. It's a boosted hatch, and then we have a JDM Integra Type R front end converted EG hatch that will be getting built on the channel soon. Plus another hatch that is called Minty. It's got a lot that I plan to do on it, but y'all have to stay tuned and see what happens with it. I'm really looking forward to these builds. Then plus there's going to be a lot more coming in the future. With me learning how to edit and having a passion for cars, when I was doing my work for everybody else, I'm like sitting there in my head like, we only get one life. I'm spending it to build things for other people. Why not build something that's mine, plus I'm helping out someone on here, hopefully learn how to build theirs also. So really feel like this would be a good adventure for everyone, including me. See how this goes, get some cars built. But as far as that, what is going to make my channel so much different than anyone else's that's doing car stuff? My answer to that is the passion that I have behind this, and I've been doing this for 20 plus years working on these vehicles, and there's nothing like it, I'm telling you. Now some makes and models I do differ on, where I really don't honestly want to touch them. I know a lot of you probably feel the same way. Once you've worked on enough vehicles, you kind of understand how everything's laid out on different ones, and some are better than others. I'm just going to leave it at that. But I definitely plan to have a lot more builds on the channel. There's nothing like taking a stock vehicle or just a new vehicle to you and customizing it the way you envision it. But not only are we going to be building cars on this channel, we're definitely going to be putting them to the test. Going to be hitting up the drag strip real soon with this one. Go take it out on some test and tune, dial it in a little bit more. But yeah guys, I'm telling you, there's nothing like building cars. I've did this for a pretty long time. Honestly, this one don't look that great, but we'll get there soon with some paint. silence. Nothing like beautiful nature with a car you've built. And just the open road, nothing stopping you. I mean, I've always had a passion for cars. I don't know what it is about them, but whenever you modify them, make them the way you want, it's just pretty much like a piece of you sitting there. Then you can take it out, show people pretty much, I would say in a way, your soul, or you as a car, which kind of sounds kind of stupid, but it really does show what someone's envision is of their car whenever they get it to the point they want. And that's why I love it so much. I love to see everybody's progress on their car, and whenever they modify it and love it, that's just what it's all about. That, living life to the fullest. But yeah, I've always loved building cars, anything with a motor. Pretty much worked on just about everything. I definitely do plan to try to make the content a lot better for y'all. I know I lack on a lot of things, probably showing my face on here. Just trying to chase this dream of building cars and showing and teaching people pretty much little cheap things that you can do and still have fun with building a vehicle and not have to spend thousands of dollars. But something I also thought would be cool is not only am I going to just build them around what I want, I feel like it would be cool if everyone that's on the channel and in the comments can kind of give their ideas of what they would do if they had it. Or just anything y'all have to say, criticism, I love it. Any way I can make the channel better for y'all, audio, just anything, just let me know. But I invite y'all, come on this journey with me. Let's get some cars built. I can go and tell you this one right here, far from being done. Still got a lot that I'm gonna try to do with this thing soon. But I can tell you guys, sometimes it's worth going for it. Just set your dream in motion. I also want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, all the love on the videos and everything. Hopefully we progressively get a lot better at it, but it is what it is right now. Hopefully I can help somebody out. We build these cars together. Little by little, we'll get there. I think that's going to do it, guys. I really appreciate y'all watching, taking the time out. Check out the video. Hopefully this will reach out to the people who also want to build some vehicles. But I'll see y'all in the next one. I appreciate y'all watching.